Paano mo ginagawa mo?
Electrokinesis.
Hindi may electrokinesis na ako. Para sa'yo?
Hindi bali ang bahala doon. Hindi, tsaka ano naman yun depende. Practicein mo nga. Malakas yung concentration mo eh. Hey guys, Agent Nightmare here and Agent Vengeance. We are here. We are here to discuss you the Operation Big Bang.
Operation Ho-Ho.
Ito ang silipin. Hindi yung pagkakalitin.
Oo.
Pansa ko na dito. Oh! Operation Big Bang is one of our operations where we uh, guard one of the place in our patrol route where a lot of things, bad things are happening. Now we are about to initiate. Last time we heard, back on November or December, we heard that there are a lot of fights that always took place in the section, in the place we call the hill or the tank, which was not too far from where I live right now. We heard a lot of rumors about people fighting, and one of my teammates got tossed around by these bullies, and we are planning to take this place back. We're not, we're not going to use any physical or dangerous things such as fighting or taking down enemies. Well, we're just going to de-escalate any situation or any bad things that was about to happen on that place. We're going to watch that street for about... Pakilang kaya, Mariel? Oy, Mariel! Mga ilang araw kaya natin makontayin yung tanke? Yung di ba marami daw nagkaroon ng away daw doon, mga ilang araw kaya? Depende. Oo.
Nakita mo?
Oo. Tama. Galing. Practice mo naman. Saka Maria, di ba ikaw leader namin? Kailan? Mga ilang araw. Yung nagpapantayan natin yung meron natin nag-aaway dyan.
Boss.
Di mga ilang araw nga.
Ilang araw sa po.
I just heard from the Master Chief, and we are guarding that place for about 10 days. Right now, this might be dangerous or not dangerous, since it would be just a normal mission for the most of us. From the equipment I'm gonna use, I probably just going to bring a that knuckles. That thing I was just showing in my video called Preparation for Operation Big Bang 1 part 1 of part 1 of or part 1. We're not going to bring any deadly weapons. We're just going to bring any non-lethal weapons. Vengeance is going to bring a spiky wing, but don't worry, it doesn't kill. And I don't really know what Agent Black. I'm not sure what weapon will
Patay mo ako yung host, tingnan mo
Agent
yung patay.
Agent Black Knight will bring. Uh, Agent Blue Backup will bring his stick. Well, don't worry. It does inflict any physical pain but does not kill. We're not going to state any plans since the bad guys might watch this video and they, they might uh, ambush us anytime. Uh, so the mission is just simple. I mean, this campaign would the objective of this campaign was to watch that part or area for about mga ilang oras tayo mo magtatagal doon sa 5 minutes, then we'll move on. 5 minutes would be a great idea for watching that place since that place is too dangerous enough. Okay. In each mission, I mean in each patrol we do, we're heading out on trying to watch that place and see if there's any fights or other stuff. Then after the campaign, we all get promoted, and after that, it's all over. I do hope that there are no fights will occur on that place. Uh, we just Nightmare signing out, Endangered Vengeance.